Here I have Toshiba A10AT, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In this kind of menu you can release all keys, and here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option with this arrow coming out from this box. In the following menu, just like in this one, in the previous one, use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option wipe cache partition. And after you see the message cache wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted. Okay, it will be restarted just by itself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.